So finally, all of my fucking golf shit's here. I know a lot of us have been waiting like fucking crazy. Some of us are still waiting. I'm still waiting for my call me if you get lost fucking merch, so not me personally. But yeah, my shit's finally here. Now it got delivered all fucking weird like. So the sweater came first. Now this was because I originally wanted the fucking raspberry sweater, and that shit sold out like almost immediately for me, and I was like, fuck. So I had shit in my cart. I didn't want to cancel my order and redo it and chance shit selling out. So I had to do this shit. Then I went and got the lightning bolt sweater separately, and fucking then I went and got some more shit later that day because I was like, well, fuck it. So it's all here. 2 of these orders just got delivered this week, and 1 of the orders got delivered literally 3 days after. I'm sorry I can't give an estimate on when you guys may get your shit because we all know how golf is with that, unfortunately. But I'd imagine with this shit, you guys should be getting it soon. You know what I'm saying? So what we're gonna do is crack all these bad boys open. We got the freaking Corduroy shorts. We got the fucking block print tee. We got the fucking polo. We got the fucking brown think golf hat. We got the fucking green snakeskin golf 5 panel. The green snakeskin shorts. And we've got this lime green vest. Pissed me off because I really wanted the fucking beige one, but yeah. But we've got 2 fucking samples of French Waltz, and I'm gonna get into and do a little slight review of that scent like towards the end of this video. So make sure you guys stay locked in. We're about to try some clothes on. Let's get it. What we have is, let me step back so you guys can see. We have the snakeskin printed shorts and snakeskin printed 5 panel hat. Now these both are going to be made from 100% nylon, which again is going to be standard on your athletic wear, your things like your swim trunks, and which is great because you got that anti moisture. It's wicking it out, so you're going to stay cool in these basically. Definitely some great appropriate summer drop because let's be honest, again, half this shit you're like, bro, come on. What I like specifically about the hat, because I know a lot of people fucking were saying they just couldn't stand the design, it's outlandish. I was like, oh, fuck it, I liked it. But what I like specifically is the inside. I'm a hat guy, and one day, maybe in the later down the line video, I've got like over 50 snapbacks and different kinds of hats. I used to be like addicted as a freaking like young adult, like early 20s and shit like that. So we'll get into that. But get in here close. You've got this netting here, which is great because that's going to be your wicking. You've got this little sweatband here that's going to absorb a lot of the moisture, so that way that won't stain your hat, stain the design, which is great. A lot of hats don't have that, including Mitchell & Ness and a whole bunch of other shit. Some Mitchell & Ness hats do, but not all of them do incorporate that. So what happens is, if you're on a hot day, you're going to stain your hat and you're going to be upset. You got these little fucking 4 vent ports, 2 on the side, 2 on the side there. And I liked it. Now what I am surprised with, or surprised at rather, is that they did not drop the fucking snakeskin green hoodie. But they did so with the pink and sky blue, baby blue rather, hoodie, fucking hat. And they gave them the whole fucking 3-piece fucking treatment, right? So what I think, mark my words, I'm predicting, watch this shit. We're gonna get this shit in the fall. I guarantee you we're gonna get the hoodie on a fall drop or possibly a next year fall drop, unless they get fucking stupid and they drop it like next summer like they did with some of this shit. But I'm predicting this fall we're gonna get it in the fall drop. Now again, it's gonna be kind of weird working this out because we're supposed to get that fuller drop this summer. Summer's pretty much almost done. So I don't know, man. But yeah, hey, one thing too for my guys with the big thighs. Pause. I've got big thighs where it is what it is. These things, I got the large pair, right? They're not, I got, fair movement here. We can jump up and down and shit like that. We can get our little dance on. Waiting for your girl to hold tight. We can, do all like that. We good on that end, right? So we know we got mobility. We alright, big guys, thunder thighs, we alright. But when I got like up here, bro, that motherfucker said, I was like, oh fuck, don't tell me, because we all know I don't know, have any of you guys ever returned something for a different size? Because I feel like once it's sold out, I was like, well, you're fucking shit out of luck, bro. Just get a refund and there you go. I don't know if you can get another size or not. Let me know, because I'd be interested. I would return that for a smaller size, but God knows I probably won't get it till fucking next year. Golf lane, shots fired. But yeah, guys, so I wouldn't necessarily say for my guys who, you know, got some thighs. I don't know why the fuck I keep saying. I wouldn't say get an extra large, but I will say, you know, just be careful because these are large, and once they got up there, you know, it's like, what the fuck? But again, I would just say make sure that you're careful, like know your body form, and you know, make sure. I guess it's too late now, shit, because they're all sold out. So you either got the wrong size or you didn't. Shots pinked off, and I love this brown shirt. Again, I'm waiting for that call me if you get lost merch, so I can freaking wear it with this, my brown fucking Star Stamps tee, but still waiting for that shit. Alright, so we're gonna move on to the last 3 pieces that I copped, and then we're gonna get into the fragrance because I did get a sample of that French Waltz.
French Waltz.
Yeah, fucking. So yeah, we're gonna get into the block shirt. I've got the green corduroy pants, and I've got the thick golf brown freaking snapback. So let's hop into that. Alright, everybody. So as you can see, it falls pretty nicely, at least on myself. I love the fucking corduroy. Now, the corduroy and the polo are both going to be made from 100% cotton. So, super breathable, fucking super light. It's going to be durable. Put it till you're washing and dry. Again, I always recommend you either tumble dry or hang dry your clothes because that heat's going to wear it down over time. One gripe though that I have, and this is just me personally, about the corduroys are they're fucking drawstrings. Like I wanted belt loops so I could tuck my fucking shirt in and be a little fucking nerd. But it is what it is, you know, it's not the end of the fucking world. I don't recommend tucking this shirt in anyway. This isn't like a fit that I bought to wear together. They're just pieces, I'm just throwing the shit together so you guys can see. The Think Golf hat, fucking, now let's move in onto that. Now, like I showed you guys with the 5-panel snake print hat, it's made from 100% nylon. So, but the inside, where it differs is from the 5-panel, it doesn't have that mesh netting. It does have that sweatband there, which is great, but it does not have that additional mesh layer on the inside. But we do have these outlets, so it is pretty breathable. We've got the golf tag on the back. There we go, let you guys see the detail. And speaking of detail, you know, so you guys can see on the back, is it this side? Yep, this side. You know, we've got back pockets. They are functional. Also, we've got the golf raspberry freaking print, the blue raspberry. I fucking love it. Here on the shirt, we've got the brown raspberry print here. So, I don't really have any gripes aside from the fucking not having the belt loop. Would I say it was worth the price? I'm gonna say the shirt could have been a little cheaper. I mean, it's not fucking up there in quality with, like, let's say fucking like Brooks Brothers or any shit. Now, but it is great, that said. But I'd say this should have been about maybe 70 bucks. Yeah, 70, that's fair, right? For the shorts, I would have said, because I think they were 80, right? I would have to double check on that. For the shorts, I would have, especially not having belt loops, I would have paid 65. But overall, they are great quality. But we all know once you put that brand and that logo on it, you're gonna pay that little bit more price. So it is what it is. I am satisfied with it in the end. We're gonna move on to the next fit, guys. So let's get it. All right, guys. So moving on to the next fit, we've got the vest with the lightning bolt sweater. So we saw the prices. We were like, what the fuck, right? With the sweater though, it's kind of justifiable. So the sweater is made from a 60-40% Mohair nylon blend. So fucking Mohair, for you guys don't know, come from the Capra aegraegis hircus, or fucking in layman's terms, the fucking Angora goat, which is native of Turkey. Now they are formed, their fur is formed for their massive lustrous sheen. It's just awesome quality. They're made in a lot of sweater blends, like Dior is really known for making some great Mohair sweaters. Now, so fucking Mohair, even though it's not wool, it's fucking itchy. make sure you wear something under this sweater when you fucking wear it because it's itchy. So the $125 price tag, when I saw it, I was like, okay, that's kind of justifiable. Nylon is gonna make it lightweight, gonna make it hold up, it's gonna make it fucking breathable, it's gonna wick away moisture, and that mohair is gonna keep you fucking warm, it's durable. So I didn't mind the fucking the price tag on the sweater. The vest fucking was $100. I think it was like fucking, was it 200? I have to look again, man. I can't remember. I was just spinning out, whatever. So fucking the vest is 100% leather. It is lined with a 100% polyester, which is standard on your dress vests and things of that nature. The quality on it, in my opinion, on both pieces are impeccable. We've got the golf prints in there. You guys can see we've got 2 pockets. 4, they're all of them are functional, so they're not just for show. You know, some shit, man, you can't, it's got like 4 pockets, but you can't even use like none of them. So boom, there we go. Actually, we've got another one there. So we've got fucking pockets. I think the idea here was more for a like a fishing vest kind of thing, is what it looks like they were trying to go for. Now, I'm going through kind of like this little baggy phase in some of my clothes, and this is my first time purchasing a sweater from Wang. That said, this is a large, and I feel like it's a little too baggy. I can pull the shit off, but in hindsight, I would go with a medium if you're trying to go baggy, because I just feel like this could be a little bit too baggy. But again, it doesn't look the worst. Lesson learned with that end. So, all right, guys, we're gonna jump into the next piece. Let me do a spin too. There we go. No. All right, so you guys got a full look at it. Let's go on to the next pieces. All right, y'all, so the last thing we're gonna get into is the fragrance review by Fleur, the new French Waltz. And as you guys can see, I'm a man of fragrance. I love things like Issey Miyake, Dior Sauvage, Zaro Chrome. So, go ahead and show you guys the packaging. There we go, Fleur, French Waltz. And I love the pastel green with the pink contrasting. On the inside, you see we got some print, and this is amazingly well done. I just love the packaging with this. The green just perfectly contrasts the pink with the shadowing blacks. On the back, we've got the description. French Waltz is dozing off in the garden, sun beaming, drying off the leftover beads of lake water, sweet and cool winds blow in June. We got this little sample bottle here. Now, we all originally thought that these were gonna come with orders that were $100 or more, because my first order was $125, which was the lightning bolt sweater, and I got this. But my second order came in, which was $225, and I didn't get a sample. So I'm thinking it's pretty random. At the time I'm recording this, I'm waiting for one more order to get here, which will be here tomorrow, and I can finish up this video. And that was an order of $250. So I'm hoping that I get another sample, but we're gonna dive into the review of this fragrance. Literally, like fucking dive into, like. Alright guys, so like I said, I am a man who enjoys his fragrances. I'm just one of those classic fucking guys. My dad was into fragrances. So I can give you guys a pretty well-experienced, well-based, unbiased review. Even though I like Wang, so I don't know if you can call it unbiased. But I'm gonna fucking keep it real with you guys. So one thing when you're testing fragrances, right? I see a lot of people do this, and it's right, but it's wrong. If you want to get an essential smell of the fragrance, make sure you spray it in the air, not on your skin. Your skin has essential oils, and this is supposed to, completely supposed to happen. When you spray yourself with fragrances, the fragrances are gonna take on a different smell than what they originally were. Not like super fucking different, but definitely a small notice, and this is supposed to happen because each human, and you know, all of us are different. We have different essential oils in our skins. So it's gonna take on a different smell. So when you wanna get a general sense of how it's gonna smell, make sure you hit one of these little small spritz. Now with the French Waltz, let me tell you right now, right off the bat, the top notes you're gonna get are your rose, possibly labatum. I can't wait to see what they're gonna drop. If they drop a new fucking like list, so I can see the notes in them. So notes are your top notes. That's what you're smelling immediately as you spray it. Your middle notes are what you're gonna get throughout the fucking day. So when you spray it on yourself, maybe about, especially if you're talking to eau de toilette, eau de parfum, you're gonna fucking get a much fucking like longer lasting fucking longevity out of it. So about, maybe 2 hours is when your middle notes are going to start setting in, and that's going to take on a different smell as it starts to fade. Your base notes are going to be those final notes you're smelling as the fragrance is wearing off. Now, I wore this to a wedding reception, my girlfriend's friend, and they fucking went batshit for it. So I could say it was definitely a success. Now, I would consider this more of you could actually go either way with this, a daytime or evening fragrance. And that's because with these heavy floral notes, like I said, I think rose, labdanum for your top notes, it's gonna wake up the senses a lot. Now, I'm a man who enjoys citrus, yuzu, floral type smells anyway, which is why I love fucking Issei. But those floral citrusy smells are really good to wake up the senses in the morning. So you can do this at the office, but this can also double as an event smell if you're going out. Like I said, I did a wedding reception. I probably, in hindsight, would maybe wear something a little bit different, just simply because I like a darker smell when I go in the evening, and this is still kind of that floral light smell. But like I said, I pulled it off. I definitely think it could double as an evening smell. But overall, I would keep this to a daytime smell. Now, I don't know if this is likely going to be an eau de toilette. They may make it an eau de parfum. And if you guys don't know the difference, it's just concentration of alcohol or concentration of oil in the fragrance. Eau de parfum is stronger than eau de toilette. So I think they're going to make this an EDP. And I would say price range, I wouldn't pay more than $100 for a 100 milliliter bottle, which is going to be your standard bottles like these sizes. And that's simply because great smell in a fragrance community, we would consider this maybe a niche smell, which is a lot better than fucking a designer smell, but we'll get into that in another video. I would definitely say French Waltz is going to be worth $100. They may sell it out to $125. I wouldn't pay more than $125. You're going to get $125 maybe just because of branding purposes, but it shouldn't be any more than any of these Issei Miyake fragrances. I don't know. If it is, I may double back on that. But like I said, guys, if you want to figure out and I can tell you guys from my perspective, but me telling you how it smells on me, on my skin, isn't going to be an accurate enough description, because it's going to smell completely different on your skin because you have your oils. But for myself, the middle notes were still, I think the top, middle, and base notes of these, I mean, it's fucking Fleur, so it's not shocking. I think they're all floral. I'm not sure what they went with on middle and base notes. Not even too sure top notes, but I'm definitely picking up rose and labdanum for top notes. So I could give you all a base and or middle and base note, but it literally wouldn't make sense, because they may completely different for you. But top notes I can give you, because you just spray that shit in the air, and that's what you get. So, hey, I appreciate you guys rocking out with me. Make sure you hit that like button, that follow button. I'm currently transitioning over from Facebook at the moment, so I'm going to be pumping out a lot more fucking content. We're going to be popping out a lot more fashion content. We're still going to be doing game streams, but I am transferring a little bit, or transitioning over a little bit more to unboxing and review videos. Still doing live streams maybe about 2 times a week. So, and that was just simply because Facebook, I was making pretty decent money, but I mean, the censorship is just fucking ridiculous. I'm sorry, they're private, they can make whatever rules they want, it is their shit, but I'm not doing this anymore. I just can't. So make sure you guys hit that like button, please subscribe. I appreciate it all. Unfortunately, I still don't have my Call Me If You Get Lost album merch. I'm waiting for the poster and tee combination. I got 2, the brown star stamp and the blue ID. So once I get that, I will have that fucking video hot off the presses for you all. This has been another unboxing with Taikyo Kills. You guys have a great one.